Hello students, welcome to all of you in my accountancy class. Today we will solve some numerical problems from our running chapter retirement or death of a partner, and in today's lecture we will solve question number 1 from NCERT. This question states that there are 3 partners in a partnership firm, Aparna, Manisha and Sonia, and they divide their profits and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. After some time, Manisha wants to take retirement and she takes retirement also. On the retirement of Manisha, when firms calculate their goodwill, and goodwill of the firm is given in the question is rupees 1,80,000. After retirement of Manisha, remaining partners Aparna and Sonia divide their profits and loss in the ratio of 3:2. So, and question states that we have to pass necessary journal entries. Students, as we already discussed, when a partner take retirement, we have to take some formalities, some calculations, and one of that calculation is gaining ratio. And when we have to calculate gaining ratio, we must require new ratio and old ratio also. In this question, old ratio is also given and new ratio is also given. So it is very easy for us to calculate new profit sharing ratio. So first of all, we have to calculate the share of goodwill of retiring partner Manisha. We can see the working notes here. Total amount of goodwill is equal to 1,80,000, and Manisha's share will be 1,80,000 into 2/6, that will be 60,000. इससे ये पता चलता है कि मनीषा जो रिटायरिंग पार्टनर है, जो रिटायरमेंट ले रही है, उसका जो शेयर ऑफ गुडविल है वो 60,000 रुपीज़ है, जो हमें यानी रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स को उसे वापस करना है. बट अब ये हमें डिसाइड करना है कि जो मनीषा जो मनीषा है जिसकी अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल 60,000 है, उसको रिमेनिंग पार्टनर जो अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल है किस रेशियो में देंगे. वो जानने के लिए हमें गेनिंग रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. And the formula of gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. When we calculate gaining ratio of Aparna will be, Aparna का न्यू रेशियो जो दिया हुआ है ये हो जाएगा 3/5 और इसका ओल्ड रेशियो है 3/6. When we calculate it, it will be 30, 6 3 जा 18 and 5 3 जा 15, that will be 3/30. When we calculate gaining ratio of Sonia, new ratio of Sonia is 2/5 and old ratio of Sonia we can take here 1/6. When we solve it, it will be 30 and 6 2 ja 12 minus 5, that will be 7/30. So gaining ratio will be in this question is 3:7. ये जो गेनिंग रेशियो है 3:7, इसी रेशियो में ये जो अमाउंट ऑफ 60,000 रुपीज़ है उसको रिमेनिंग पार्टनर यानी अपर्णा और सोनिया मनीषा को देंगे. So we have to divide that 60,000 rupees in ratio of 3:7. We can see that working note here. When we divide Aparna's share will be 60,000 into 3/10, that will be 18,000, and Sonia's share is equal to 60,000 into 7/10, that will be 42,000. 18,000 अपर्णा जो है वो मनीषा को देगी और 42,000 जो सोनिया है वो मनीषा को देगी. So we have to pass the necessary journal entries, and we know that the journal entries that will be Aparna's capital account, DR, Sonia's capital account, DR, to मनीषा's कैपिटल अकाउंट. अपर्णा को कितना देना है यहां हमने कैलकुलेट किया है 18,000. सोनिया को देना है 42,000. When we add total, that will be 60,000. Narration will be share of goodwill of Manisha adjusted from remaining partners capital accounts in their gaining ratio. Share of goodwill of Manisha adjusted from remaining partners capital account in their gaining ratio. So this is the solution of question number first. I hope you all understand this question very well, and on the basis of this method you can solve rest of the questions also. Thank you so much.